If you're still brainstorming video ideas manually, you are wasting leverage. I use Claude Code to reverse engineer the fastest growing videos on YouTube and build a brain that tells me what to post next. And in this video, we are going to build it together. Basically, it scans AI videos, calculates which one is getting more traction, extract their structure, and generates 10 SEO ready ideas instantly. So let's begin. By the way, if you're new to this channel, I'm Tanish. I'm the founder of Talknetic. I help businesses cut their costs and save time on the things which can be automated using voice AI. Every week, I open 3 free consultation slots. You can find the link in the description, so go and get them before they are gone. So let's get started with the demo. So I'm going to make a new folder. Let's say I'm going to make it in my volume D folder, and let's name it YouTube Idea System, let's say. So now I'm going to show you the prompt which I'm going to use for this, and I'm going to show you what tools I'm going to use for this demo. So this is the prompt which I'm going to use for this. Also, like, I will be giving this in description, so it will be very easy for you to go through it. So if I explain it to you in easy words, so there are going to be 3 files, which is like claude.md, brain.md, and readme.md. If I explain you how it works, so let's say you hired a person who has a job to do at the office. So claude.md is like the basic rules for that employee. Let's say not to make noise when you're sitting at the desk, and greet the boss whenever he arrives, and not to use phone when you're sitting on the desk, something like that. So claude.md includes the general rules for the system to follow, and whereas brain.md is the main brain, it's the main work. So let's say for example, whenever you receive, I'm just giving an example in terms of that employee. Whenever you receive any email from a customer, reply them immediately, or something like that. Whenever you receive any inquiry, just call that customer immediately. So it's like that the job is specified to that person. So whenever you get this, do this. So that do this is like the brain.md. So that's the part where the system is going to use its brain. That's why it's called brain.md. Go to my description, copy this and give it to ChatGPT, and it will explain everything to you. And readme.md is like the file for you. It's the file for the boss. So let's say you are planning to use this system after 2 years and you don't remember anything. So in that case, you can go and read readme.md. So yeah, I'm going to copy this, Control-A, Control-C. Now we are going to use a tool called Entry Gravity. So now I'm going to open the folder which I've just made. I'm going to volume D, and let's select the folder. I trust the author. So this is the folder and it's completely empty. We don't have anything inside it. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to open my terminal and I will type here Claude. So firstly, so this demo is not for complete beginners. If you haven't set up Claude Code, so this is not going to show you how you can set up Claude Code on your PC. Maybe you can just drop me in comments, so I will help you in the next video. I can show how to set up Claude Code on your system, but in this video I'm not going to show how to do that. So I'm just going to show you how you can create the idea system for your YouTube. So now I'm going to drop that prompt completely, Control V here, and enter. So let's wait for it to work. So it's now executing. Now you need to give it some permissions. So yeah, let's wait. So now you can see it's asking me for scrap creators API key, and it's completed. So if we go here, idea brain, we have brain.md, claude.md, and readme.md. So firstly, now I'm not going to give it scrap creators API key directly here. I will ask it to create me a .env file. So you can also write it if you want. You can give your scrap creators API key here, but it is always a good practice to create a .env file and then give a scrap creators key or any API key in that. So it will create a .env file. In the meantime, I can show you what is scrap creators. So let's go to Chrome and search scrap creators. So scrape creator is like a tool which can help you to scrape the internet, or I would say YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and you can give it a topic. Let's say we give it a topic like Claude Code, and we'll scrape every content related to Claude Code, and it will return the result to you so that you can use it. And in easy words, it's like a research tool. So yeah, you can visit this website. You need to sign in with Google. So I'm going to sign in. As you can see, I only have 31 credits left. Firstly, you get around 100, but I've used it a lot, so that's why only 31 are left. I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to paste it here in .env file. So you need to just remove it and paste it here. So after pasting, just click on Ctrl S. I'm not going to show you my API key. I already inserted that here. So now we can use it. So let's give it a niche. For example, Claude Code. It's the easiest example. So now it will start to function. So we need to just wait for some results. Allow it. It wants to use scrap create as API key, so just allow it. So as you can see, it has created the idea for us, and this is the output. And Claude Code, it's the name, and you can see it's the idea report. So actually it went through a lot of YouTube videos, so I'm going to show you that also. So there were like news and announcement around 2 videos, and this is like the average velocity, case study, reaction, and tutorials. So there were like 9 tutorials on this, and we can also see those videos here. So it's like the Nano Banana 2 plus Claude Code from Nate Herc, and we have the videos from Nick Sarif, and yeah, 2 videos, Ban AI. So yeah, it collected pretty good results. Now let's see what it generated. So yeah, this is the report, and it's like the Tier 1 Claude Code tutorial. It's like the market velocity data. It's like what kind of tags people are searching, so it's related to that. And top 15 videos based on average velocity is this. So it's like the overall report, like what's going on around this topic. So you can just give it to ChatGPT and ask it to make it easier for you to understand. Then you can use it to create some kind of titles, and you can get ideas from here. So exactly like what's working, what kind of description is working. This is like the title which worked well, and you can create titles based on that. So the gap matrix, everything is here. So it's like it gives you the market analysis of that topic, so that you can create a video with proper research and with proper idea. It also gave the title like how a non-technical founder fired their 8K per month dev team using Claude Code, which is like I think it's true. You can do a lot of things using Claude Code, and you don't need too many developers for that. So hope you liked this video. By using Claude Code, you can do many things which you have not even ever imagined, like automating your LinkedIn or Instagram outreach, making carousels for Instagram using Claude Code, which was taking a lot of time when you were doing it manually. If you want the exact prompt, go and find it in the description. And as always, we have 3 free consultation slots open for this week. Go and find the link in the description. Most probably in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can automate your outreach on LinkedIn using Claude Code. So till then, have a nice day. Goodbye.